How to use American Express gift card online. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can use American Express gift card online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you purchase an American Express gift card and that you would like to use it, depends on which site you want to use it, because any site that accepts credit or debit card, or wherever Amex itself is accepted, you can use the Amex gift card in that. So let's say you're shopping on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, Shein, wherever else, Temu, AliExpress, you have to select credit or debit card as a payment method and then enter your Amex gift card code over there. And if it keeps declining, just make sure you have enough balance. You can actually check your Amex gift card balance if you go to balance.amexgiftcard.com. I repeat, balance.amexgiftcard.com. When you're on this website, enter your card number, expiration date and everything else, tap on continue to actually check the balance, or you can simply manage and activate your card from here. Once you activate your card, only then you'll be able to use it online. And you should not select gift card as a payment method. You have to select credit or debit card as a normal payment method. Then after that, you will be able to redeem your gift card code. This way you can use your American Express gift card online. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.